Okay, you have a Photoshop open and you've opened an image up that is black and white. This is an image that is made of just black artwork with white background. And it's solid. There's no shades of gray. And what you want to do is get it to be so that it looks like there are no shades of gray, because right now it looks like it's got a gray background. This is the way you clean it up. First of all, let's do a little trimming here. So we're going to go to the marquee tool, regular marquee tool, rectangular, come over here, and we're going to select that area you want and trim out the rest of it. Going here and selecting just the area that I want, and I go to image crop. Now I've got a crop, so we're working with just the image. How do I get this gray out? Well, let's start with the easiest way to do this. First of all, I'm going to go to image, adjustments, and go to something called levels. What this shows, what levels shows, is basically a graphical representation of your artwork. The three little arrows that you see pointing up here show you the areas that are called the white areas, the middle tone areas, and the black areas. Notice where all the information in this graph is. It's showing that it's almost all on the gray area, which we want to eliminate. So we do that by doing this. By moving the lightest one over, that is the one on the right, we slide that over, it lightens and moves the information over to the lightest part of the image, or we have the middle tone start being light. Notice how it makes everything whiter, but it's also leaving some of our black areas, moving them into a gray area. We want to get that back. So by adjusting that middle one, we can bring the black back. Slide this over a little further. Now we know this is almost all black and white. To adjust the farthest one, which is really our blacks, much it all. And I'm going to bring it just right over to the edge of that little area there we call the shoulder. And go, okay. This was easy. Now, there are going to be times when you won't be able to get it completely white and black. You'll have shades of gray that you'll have to pull out. But in this case, it's pretty clear. How do I know that that is actually a white and not a gray? Well, I go up to my paintbrush tool. Make it about here. Now I go in here, and I'm going to paint this area black. That's what the tool is. And I can see that that's truly black. Control Z to go backward. Let's see if it's really white. If it is, that should paint white over it, and I won't see anything, and I don't. So I know that this is really white now. So there's that black and white image. Quickest way to do it. And in most cases, you'll be able to do it that way if your image is evenly gray and flat. So let's go to the next tutorial, which shows if it's not evenly gray and flat. And this is the step that we're going to go to next.